Got the Signature M650L. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, so we have the mouse, have the information booklet here, and that is it for the box. Now let's go ahead and open up this and take a look and see the mouse here. Pretty weighted mouse, sorry. Okay, you have two buttons on the side here, left, right click. The first thing that immediately stood out to me was the weight of the mouse. So the power button is right here, or the power switch is right here. Pairing button right here. Comes with a AA battery and a USB-A adapter. So again, these are the buttons of it. Left click, right click. This is your scroll wheel. Doesn't look like it has horizontal scrolling, but I'll double check. And then you have the two buttons here on the left hand side of the mouse. And these are the two things that the mouse comes with. Everything you need for connecting is already in the mouse. You can either use Bluetooth or you can use the USB-A adapter. And again, it just comes with the information booklet, and that's it.